Maintaining close friendships throughout life brings numerous benefits that positively impact our well-being and overall quality of life. Here are some key benefits. Emotional support. Close friendships provide a crucial source of emotional support during both challenging times and moments of joy. Trusted friends offer a listening ear, empathy, and understanding, which can help alleviate stress, anxiety, and loneliness. Enhanced mental health. Strong friendships contribute to better mental health outcomes. Having someone to confide in and share life experiences with can boost self-esteem, reduce symptoms of depression, and provide a sense of belonging and purpose. Increased happiness. Meaningful friendships bring joy and happiness into our lives. Engaging in enjoyable activities, sharing laughter, and creating cherished memories with friends can significantly enhance our overall happiness and life satisfaction. Stress reduction. Friends can serve as buffers against stress. Through their support, encouragement, and perspective, they help us navigate challenging situations, offer advice, and provide a sense of stability and security. Improved physical health. Surprisingly, close friendships also have physical health benefits. Research suggests that individuals with strong social connections tend to have lower blood pressure, reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases, and stronger immune systems. Engaging in social activities with friends can also encourage a more active and healthy lifestyle. Social skills development. Friendships offer opportunities for personal growth and the development of social skills. Interacting with friends helps refine communication, conflict resolution, empathy, and cooperation abilities, which are valuable in various aspects of life, including work, relationships, and community involvement. Longevity. Studies have shown that maintaining close friendships throughout life can contribute to increased longevity. The social support, emotional well-being, and sense of purpose derived from these relationships have been linked to a longer and healthier lifespan. Enriched perspectives. Friends often come from diverse backgrounds, cultures, and experiences. By maintaining close friendships, we gain exposure to different perspectives, ideas, and beliefs. This broadens our horizons, fosters empathy, and promotes personal growth and cultural understanding. Social engagement. Friends provide opportunities for social engagement and connection. Whether it's participating in group activities, attending social events, or simply spending quality time together, friendships keep us connected to our communities and prevent feelings of isolation. Unconditional support and fun. Last but not least, close friendships offer a safe space where we can be ourselves, free from judgment. Friends celebrate our successes, provide comfort during setbacks, and bring joy and laughter into our lives. They share in our journey and create lifelong memories. In summary, maintaining close friendships throughout life is invaluable. They bring emotional support, happiness, improved mental and physical health, personal growth, and social engagement to a fulfilling and enriched life. Nurturing and investing in these relationships is a worthwhile endeavor that reaps countless benefits for our overall well-being.